That's Hannah helping Danny.
Make sure he do it right, Hannah. Tell him he don't need to be missing any spots.
That Danny's little helper.
Yeah, dip it back in the water. Hannah's first wash job on the truck.
You say, Hannah said, I can do it.
I can do it.
You video her.
Here you go, Donna.
Put some more water in there.